afternoon everyone. Today I, Khushi Sharma of grade 8 Delhi World Public School Zirakpur is going to show you a science experiment in front of you which shows density of liquids. So let's begin. So here I have some vegetable oil in my glass in which I will pour some water which contains food coloring. Now we will wait it until it sets because water has higher density than the oil, so it will sink at the bottom. Now as you can see, the oil and water is totally separated from each other because of the density in the liquids. So here I have some aspirin tablets or any fizzing tablets which I will add them into the water. Now you will notice that gradually the gas created by the aspirin is lighter than both the liquids, so it escapes and it comes to top. As you can see, slowly it has begun doing that. So what did we see in the experiment? This experiment shows that the water is heavier than the oil and the oil is lighter than the water. That's why oil is on the top and the water is at the bottom. But when we add the aspirin tablets, it was heavier than the water and the oil, so it has sunk down. But when it changed into gas, its molecules loosed and it came up and released gas. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Diya Singla from class 8 and I study in Delhi World Public School. So today my topic is natural indicators and I'll be showing you the experiment on natural indicators. Firstly, I'll tell you what are indicators. Indicators are the substances that are used to know the nature of the substance, whether it is basic or whether it is acidic. And indicators are of two types: synthetic indicators and natural indicators. Today I'll be showing you the natural indicators. For showing you the activity, I have taken two glasses. As you can see, both are filled with the turmeric powder. So in one of the glass, I'll put some detergent powder. Here's the detergent powder, as you can see. Now I'll put it. As you can see, the color is changed from the yellow to reddish brown. Now I'll put lemon juice in that glass and you can see that the color will automatically back. Now so here is the color back. So now you can see it proves that the turmeric is a natural indicator and is telling that the detergent is a basic in nature. So its color you can see. Thank you for watching my video.
Everyone, my name is Aditya Adab and I read in 8th A from Delhi World Public School, Zirakpur. Today we are learning the science behind the floating stickman. For this one, you need a dry erase marker, a glass plate and a little bit water. Before we get into our experiment, I want to tell you 3 fun facts about dry erase marker. First, dry erase markers are less sticky than permanent markers because they are made up of oily silicon polymer. Second, dry erase markers do not dissolve in water. Third fact is, when dry erase markers is in the presence of water, it will rise up to the surface because they are less dense than water. Now we know these fun facts, we can do our experiment. So the first thing you need to do, draw a stickman on your plate. Then Add your water to the edges of your figure. As you can see, the stickman is floating because the dry erase markers are less dense than water and they do not dissolve in water. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anubha Dhawan. I am from grade 8. I am studying in Delhi World Public School, Zirakpur. So today I am going to do a science experiment. The name of the experiment is balloon on the pin bed. So in this activity, the first method is I am going to put the balloon on just one notice board pin. So let's see what happens to the balloon when we put the balloon on the pin. So I have blowed one balloon and now let's see. As you can see, the balloon pops. Now let's move on to the next method, which is on the pin bed. So let's see. So this is the pin bed. Let's see. So this is the balloon. As you can see, I'm putting hard on the pins, but the balloon did not pop. Now I'm going to tell the reason behind this activity. So the reason behind this activity was as we saw that on the first method, when we put the balloon on just one single pin, the air pressure was all just on one pin. So that is why the balloon popped. But in the second activity, it was just opposite. The balloon did not pop when we put the balloon on a pin bed which was made up of 10 to 12 pins. So this activity shows that air pressure is very important. So with this activity, I think that this activity shows the air pressure movement. Thank you.